Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restrict saving content on Telegram channel or Telegram group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my Telegram application on my computer and I'm going to go to one of my channel or group on Telegram. For example, I'm going to open up this group chat. Okay, if you want to restrict saving content on channel, so you just need to open up the channel. The step is the same, and I'm going to click on the group chat's name, or you can click on the channel name, and then we're going to click on the three dots, and then select manage group or manage channel, and then you can go to the group type, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the content protection. And you can activate this option, restrict saving content. Just click on the circle button to activate it. And after you activate this feature, the group members or the channel members won't be able to copy, save, or forward content from the group or the channel. And then don't forget to click on save to save the setting. Okay guys, and that's all the way to restrict saving content on Telegram group chat or channel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.